Earlier, I had the same thinking, like I can never learn this language because I am from Hindi medium background. When you decide and
Mhm.
when you try to, do some efforts for that, then definitely we can learn. How are you doing these days?
Yeah, I've been doing great. Thank you so much for asking. What about you? Well, how have you been so far?
Yeah, I have been also doing great. And today is working day, so a bit hectic day, I would say,
Mm.
and especially Monday. So you can understand that Monday is like horrible day in a week, especially for the working professional.
Exactly. We always get tons of surprises on Monday.
Yeah, right. Because after
Yes,
weekend,
yes.
you get a lot of new things on Monday, so that's
Hmm.
why, and lot of new works also. So, okay.
Exactly. Yeah.
So, would you like to proceed with the introduction?
It's up to you completely. Okay, let me break the ice on my introduction in a nutshell. So this side, Lalit, I come all the way from Uttar Pradesh, and it's been nearly 7+ years to me. I have been working in private organizations, and this is all about me in a nutshell. Thank you.
Okay. And where are you from?
I'm from Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh. Okay, okay, got it. Okay, so now my
Yes.
introduction. As you know, my name is Tanuja and I hail from Bhopal city. And about my education, I have completed engineering and currently I'm a working professional in one of the IT company. And along with that,
Mhm.
I run a YouTube channel also in my free time. And my interest, I love painting, dancing, and traveling. That's all about me.
Yeah, this is quite delectable that you have been doing lot many things, and while walking somewhere, you are having conversations as well. This is also a amazing job, an amazing job that is being done by you.
Yeah, sometimes it is a bit hectic to manage both the things, but I try to maintain not only just that for earning purpose, but I know that it is helping me in some other ways also. Like if I would do something else like apart from English, so maybe it would be the quite different thing for me apart from my work. So that would be quite difficult to manage. But the English thing is like
Exactly.
it is helpful for my career also. So that's why I try to maintain.
Yeah, me too, me too. Actually, I also have been sailing in the same boat, and this is quite indispensable for my career growth as well. And I also have been looking for the promotions and everything in my company. And so here it is much inhabitable to deal with the people in English communication if you want to get something in your career.
Yes, yes. Okay, so I think nowadays you are too much into this language and you are doing a lot of efforts to become an advanced speaker for that. So, would you like to share some suggestion or anything that you are doing on the regular basis?
Absolutely, I would be more than elated to tell you something about my efforts, whatever are being done by me now these days.
Mhm.
Actually, when it comes to speaking this language, so initially, if somebody is in the stepping step of his journey, so it is quite hard not to crack to speak this language. And
Yes.
when somebody is able to prevail this language in a basic manner, if somebody is able to unfold himself or herself in basic manner, so he or she always wants that I should go further. I should go for advance or something like that,
Mhm.
right? So and it depends on the perception of the person, what kind of English he or she wants, right? I If
Yes.
I talk about me, I want a great English all the time. Everybody
Mhm.
wants that I need a great English, but now it depends on my perception, how actually do I want to work on myself. Okay,
Yes.
so now let me tell you like what all things are being done by me to work on my communication. So I just work on vocabularies, couple of grammatical kind of things, because these are also very crucial to work or to speak this language eloquently.
Yes.
Yes. So I have been working on 2 or 3 things like this.
Okay.
Yes.
To enhance your vocabulary, so are you focusing on listening part or reading part or both?
Yes. So one thing is much important here, that is talking to the people, right? If you're using any sophisticated vocabulary in your communication, so I supposed to jot down that particular vocabulary so that in upcoming sessions, I'll be able to comprise that particular word as well.
Yeah, exactly.
This is the way to work on the vocabulary. It's like if somebody is thinking that by reading newspaper, by reading out couple of books, I'll be able to vanquish vocabularies. No, it's not a possible thing. It's not. It's a completely out of the question that somebody can prevail the vocabularies just by reading or something. Or if somebody can prevail vocabularies by reading, but we need to we need to introspect the vocabularies first, like which are the active vocabularies we can use in our communication actually,
Communication.
because yeah, yeah, in books or in newspaper there are thousands of vocabularies which are not much active.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes. So we need this kind of vocabulary that we can use it in our daily conversation, because
Absolutely.
yeah, in newspaper or somewhere we find a lot of new words every day, but we are not habitual of using those. And if I talk about me, so what I feel that I want to become an advanced speaker, but to be honest, I hardly get time to learn this language only. But I am just doing this kind of practice only every day, and
I have been witnessing your journey.
most of the time I am just connected with beginners and the same level that I have. So I don't have
Mhm.
enough opportunity to enhance my English because of lack of time, I would say. And sometimes I make excuses also, like I have multiple other things to do, like that. So,
It happens to everybody, And today it's been long time I have started having sessions with the people,
okay.
like having video sessions with the people.
Mhm.
It's been long time I have been just having audio sessions,
Oh, okay.
because now these days Skype already has been migrated from like Skype to Teams. So
Mhm.
I'm not able to find any people out there on that particular application. But yeah, now these days people have started having sessions on Zoom application. That is also a blessing in disguise for us.
I just have laptop, so that's why I'm able to do so. Otherwise, I don't have any alternative for now that I can suggest to everyone.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I also, when I got that notification that Skype is going to be migrated, so that time I also found out the ways
Mhm.
by coding that I can connect to the people and simultaneously I can record them. So Zoom application I found, but in afternoon I don't carry my laptop here in my shop right now.
So, don't you run your channel, or just you do practice only?
I run my channel. I run my channel, and but it as I told you that it's been long time I haven't had any video sessions with the people. But
Mhm.
yeah, now these days I'm exerting to back on path, and I'm gonna commence my journey having video sessions with the people, because
Okay.
now these days
Mhm.
people have comprehended this thing that we can record the sessions by using Zoom application.
Hmm.
Right, but the earlier people, when the notification was executed, people got demoralized or people got inferior that they cannot continue their journey having video sessions with the people.
Yes, yes, you are right. Now we have alternatives, so we can utilize actually.
Hmm. Okay, so as you told me that you are quite swamped with the things, so how's your, still I'm asking this question, how's your practice been so far in this communication?
Okay. So as I already mentioned that I hardly get time for this
Yeah.
language, and when I get free time, so I try to utilize for my technical skills, like most of the time. So
Okay. Hmm.
that is the main reason that I'm not focusing too much here. But when I see other people that who had started journey with me and they are doing a lot of great efforts for learning this language, then I feel, oh, maybe I'm lacking for time, or sometime I make excuses that yes, I don't have enough time for that. That's why maybe. But I would say that the speaking part I try to maintain, like every alternative days, or maybe after 2 days or
Mhm.
3 days. And sometimes I do listening practice when I go to my bed. So that's it.
Mhm. That is great. Listening is helping a lot.
Mhm.
Why? Because I also have been doing the same thing. If I'm not able to connect to the people on video conversation, on video call, so I usually listen to some English content. That has been helping me a lot, actually.
Okay, and my problem I would like to share here, because for example, I have learned a lot of vocabulary, and I think I already know that as I
Hmm.
as I listen to you that you have used multiple vocabulary, so I know the meaning also. But in my case, I'm not able to use those words in my conversation because I'm like habitual of speaking basic English, so I'm not able to replace those things. What we can do here.
Absolutely, I would definitely like to spill the beans about it. So, if we are not able to unfold such aspects of ourselves, where we are not using couple of vocabularies or couple of structures in our communication,
Mhm.
because if every time we are going to speak the basic English, so how we would be recognized by the people? And it's not only about recognized by the people, how would we able to grow in our career? Because when we are dealing with the US clients, when we are dealing with the Indian stakeholder or our senior managers or our ADPs. So that
Mhm.
time we always get confused, we always get perplexed how actually I can unfold myself in a better vision, right?
Yeah,
When we are
right.
having like any conversation with any manager, we always get stumped that time. How can I actually unfold myself in front of manager? It happens to me as well. But
Mhm.
yeah, I have been just endeavoring to unfold or unconceal myself in front of me, even in front of my manager in a better version all the time. So one or the other day, I'll be able to do that. So same goes to you as well. Like if you are finding that you are not able to comprise the vocabularies in your communication, so you should kick off your journey of incorporation of words in your communication initially. I know that you are going to face couple of baffledness, couple of difficulties while incorporating them, and you are going to get stuck as well.
Mhm. Okay.
So this happens actually. It happened to me a lot. Still, it happens
Mhm.
when I when I exert to incorporate couple of words in my communication. It happens to me that I get stumped, I get stuck that time that how I can continue my conversation. But yeah, this is the way that we can work on ourselves. And we are getting stuck. This is indicating you that you are working on yourself.
Yeah, right.
If you're
And
not getting stuck, if you are not pushing forward the vocabularies. So you just need to push forward them. And if you're getting stuck, you can consider that this is a way that I can overcome, I can get rid of getting stuck somewhere in my communication.
Yes, you know, I face this problem because as you already mentioned that most of the time we need to speak with our manager and clients. So when they speak or when I communicate with them, so I just use my basic English, and after that I regret why I'm not able to speak like them. Like they are speaking so professional English, and I'm not able to do so. So I feel bad about that thing.
No, it used to happen to me a lot when I was able to speak basic English. So that time I was not able to deal with my manager itself. It's not able to speak even a basic English in front of my managers. Right? I was completely considering myself inferior. I was not able to take the bull by the horns at all. So one day I decided that doesn't matter what is going to happen. I just need to talk to my manager in English. And once I started talking to my manager in English, and he was also completely astonished. He was thinking that how you can speak this language? Like I have not been having any conversation with anybody in English, and suddenly a person starts speaking in English. So how it is possible?
Okay.
So he was thinking like this. But
Hmm.
yeah, I have not been having general conversation with any senior leaders. But yeah, if you're having like conversation on consistent basis, so that time uh, you are not gonna do skeptical on yourself. You are not gonna doubt on yourself that you are not able to speak. You can speak. They are speaking, so you also can speak. Your managers are able to deal with their managers, so you also can deal with your manager.
Yes, but for that we need extra effort. And that is I am not doing
Absolutely.
actually.
Absolutely. We need extra effort. We need to go the extra mile all the time.
Mhm.
And we like by having propaganda, we are not going to achieve anything. If we
Yeah.
literally want to prevail something in this communication, we absolutely need to go the extra mile.
Yes, yes. Absolutely right. And I will try to
Yes,
work upon
yes.
myself.
Yeah, I also have been doing the same thing to work on my communication, but yeah, I have
Mhm.
been just gathering the informations, those who are being shared by the people like you on social media applications, and I have been collating them vigilantly so that I also can incorporate them in my communication.
And I think I have seen the differences in you. Like we had the conversation earlier, and now I can see that a lot of changes in your conversation, in your communication. So it's just because of that you are
Yeah,
putting
yeah, we
extra
have.
effort for that. Earlier I had the same thinking, like I can never learn this language because I am from Hindi medium background. Like many people have this same thinking, but after all, when we decide, like, no, it is not that much of complicated as we are making it in our head. And when you decide and
Mhm.
when you try to, do some efforts for that, then definitely we can learn.
And it takes, it takes abundance of effort. I cannot say that if somebody is able, if you're able to speak this language right away, that you are talking to me, you are much comfortable while speaking this language, but still it takes a lot of effort to maintain such kind of consistency,
Yes.
isn't it?
Yes, yes, absolutely.
Yes. So what all things you're gonna suggest to the people, like if somebody wants to prevail this communication, this English communication, how he can learn this language, how he can bring tremendous transformation in his communication in no time.
Okay, so first thing is that consistency. Like every day you have to speak at least for 15 to 20 minutes. That's the thing that we can do. And the second thing is that if you have the particular desire, like particular goal, that yes, in this month or maybe in a 2 month or 3 month you want to achieve from this level to this level, then only we can, work.
Mm,
Then we work upon those things in actual, like seriously.
mm,
Like it is, as I already mentioned, that in my case I'm not, bothering too much. Like yes, I'm just speaking every day but not putting extra effort, or sometimes I'm making
mm,
excuses also. So if you really want to, or anybody can want to learn this language, so definitely they need extra effort. They need to practice every day and do some self analysis, like where you are lacking. Like if you already
exactly.
know your your weaknesses, then only you can work upon those things. Like as you already know that you are lacking some vocabulary, so you will try to work on those things. And some people who are, making a lot of mistakes in grammatical portions, so they can, focus on that part. So self analysis is also very important here.
Absolutely right. Introspection or self analysis is going to play a very indispensable role in our communication, in our personality development as well. If we are
Yes.
able to recognize that what all kind of shortcomings we are having, we'll be able to conquer them one or the other day. If we are able to recognize them, if we are not able to introspect them, if we are not able to recognize them, we'll not be able to work on them.
Absolutely. So when I, see my videos again, so then I realize, oh my God, I'm doing a lot of mistakes here, so I shouldn't do this. Or these things I said wrong at that time of speaking. So I think I should not try to repeat the same mistake. So this is the kind of self-analysis we can do.
Absolutely. And if we are exerting that we are not going to reiterate the same mistake, that same baffledness as we made earlier.
Mhm.
So, absolutely, we are going to definitely vanquish something in the communication. And that is how we have been working on ourselves, right? Because I also have been introspecting myself from a long period of time. And there was a moment in time where I was not able to utter even a basic English in a correct format. But if I am repeating the same things, if I am reiterating the same things over and over again, so there is no improvement in our communication, right? There would be no improvement in our communication. If we literally want to bring some transformations in our communication, so we'll have to collate the things, collate the insights from the like books, from the social media applications, or from the people's insights.
Yes, you are right.
Okay, then I'm done with my questions. If you have any question, you can bring them up. Otherwise, we are good to wrap up.
Yeah, for now I don't have, so we can wrap up the session.